Forward says what's coming now is the universe. So you can describe it afterwards how you consider what you played.
Yes.
But play freely. Thanks so much, Forward. playing there, I was thinking, before when we're recording, like in past years, I've said to you, I'm there with you, right? In every note that you're playing. And this morning, just now during this, I had this feeling like, wow, I'm not ready. I can't, I'm not with you because you've just gone straight in so deep. I'm like, I don't want to be, like energetically, I don't want to be stalling you because you're ready to go so far, so quick. It's incredible forward.
Thank you, Andy.
Yeah, after recording all of these other people, and we do, this baby Kushara, baby Kutsinhira, and I'm just like, I didn't realise how ready you were. Just give it all.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
I'll pause the video, we'll have a chat about...
thank you.
Yeah, amazing forward.
Thank you, Andy.
Yeah,
it's because of you. It's because of you. You make me so free. You know what? There's I don't know how to explain this. It's from friendship. It starts from friendship, making each other, giving each other free space.
Yeah.
And with the music, it's the same friendship.
I know. You said to me before,
yes,
I asked you about something. You said, Andy, follow your intuition, and I'm there with you.
Yes. There's
so many synchronicities and so much beauty in the time that I have with you. And that freedom is in your playing. You tried recording with some other people, and it sort of hasn't happened.
It doesn't come.
And I'm like,
it won't come.
I can't believe that it's me.
It won't come.
That can be stood next to you to bring that. I don't know. I'm really grateful.
Yes. So whenever we are together, I feel that I can go in any space, and you are just there, and it's beyond explanation. It's beyond explanation. I don't know how to explain it exactly, but it's there.
How did it come to be that we ended up doing this?
I don't even know, but all I know is, all I remember is, sometimes I dream about you when you are in Europe and when I'm here. I dream, and one of the dreams that was really amazing for me was the dream that... Did I tell you about this dream?
I'm not sure.
That we started up like we were driving, but then after all, then we were like in a train, and then we traveled a little bit in a train, and then we said to ourselves, let's not do this. We want to reach there. I don't know. Maybe we're going to Sinamatela, but it was this way, this direction. So we said, no, let's just fly.
I used to have flying lessons in my dreams. I had a dream that I could fly.
Then, and in the dream, we flew. We were so high, but we were like holding hands.
Yeah.
And we flew a long journey. And at the end, we were like very close to the clouds. We were like, we can touch the clouds. We can touch. You know how it is in dreams? Sometimes it's like when you wake up, you're like, is this dream? What is the dream about? So twice like that, it's been like that, and they do going same direction. And the other dream that I remember, I was with you. So from these dreams, I can tell myself that there's more than I think. I think our friendship is. I think it's more deeper than I think. And then when we come here to the spirits world, what they tell us, what they have told us, that will end up being and where we are going, and I certainly believe that, and I will just go by the flow. That is what I am doing now, and you don't know how much I miss you, and sometimes I go like, maybe I should not write him. It's too much something. Because I could be writing you every day, come here, and you don't know how I feel when you are here. Yeah. I feel so good. And you don't know how I feel when you are about to go.
Oh,
you know, these things is like one part of me is not there anymore. You see, sometimes we have other people like this or that, but you know, there's one thing at one time, and this is what it is. So each time my hands are not controlled anymore. They can just go. The other person I used to do that with is Jan.
Yeah.
Yes, Jan is very good with that, Jan too.
Jan Dubois.
Yeah, Jan Dubois, sure.
From France.
Yes, that's the only you two. But now for you, it's like, the magic is too much. Sometimes I just have to like, okay, let me stop.
Yeah, I
because
remember
it's
during
coming
that Thai
and
Rover.
going. Yes.
Yeah, part of something bigger.
Yes, yes.
I remember recording you the first year I came, and I turned the camera around to our faces and I said, I don't know who could be luckier than me right now.
Yes,
like,
yes.
To be holding a camera and sat next to you.
Yes, yes, yes.
But we're capturing it for everyone.
Yes, yes.
So it's not forgotten.
Yes, yes.
And that feels important.
Yes, yes, yes. So people will enjoy from you and...
I'll press stop, we'll have a chat and work out what's next.
Oh, okay.
Thank you for
Right.
Right.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, brother. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.